Good morning. Scott Love with A to Z Insurance, your trusted choice independent agent. Last time we talked about why we need separate policies for our primary home, our rental property, and flood. We also get asked by clients, can I just get one policy to cover my personal auto as well as my business autos? The answer is basically the same. You want a policy that will give you the right coverages to fit your situation. You do not want to have the wrong kind of policy and get denied in a claim situation. Let me give an example. Let's say that you buy an ice cream truck and it's full of specialized equipment designed for producing and maintaining and selling ice cream, and it has all this special equipment. Can you imagine getting in your ice cream truck to go on a personal vacation, a long trip? It'd be a little strange. So that doesn't fit the definition of personal use. It's business use, and so the two can't be combined. But because that truck is designed for business usage and has special equipment that needs to be covered from a physical damage standpoint, and there's special liability exposure because they're driving all over neighborhoods and working near little children buying ice cream, it needs a special customization of liability coverages to fit that situation. But your personal auto policy is designed for your normal personal usage, driving to school, to work, commuting where you just park at your job, going on dates, your personal use. That's what it's for. Let's say you bought a 2014 Honda Civic, and that's what you're doing. You're driving 10 miles a day to school or work. You're not using it for any business use. You need to cover that on a personal auto policy. We'll get into those coverages in a later video, what those are. You don't need a business auto policy. A business auto policy is going to give you coverages you don't need, and it's also probably going to cost you more money. So why would you want a business auto policy? Now, if you use the car occasionally for some incidental business use, like perhaps a couple of stops that your employer asks you to make, and again, not full-blown business use, you can add on a business use endorsement to your policy and have that risk covered for the fact that there's some incidental business use. But if you take that same 2014 Honda Civic and now you're making multiple stops throughout the day, you're stopping 10 times a day, making sales calls, you're hauling people around, you're literally using your car like an office, it's titled in the name of a corporation or a business, it's got a company sign on the outside, you're hauling products and goods, that's business use. You need a business auto policy in that particular situation. These are things that we will help you through. If you would like to get a policy, we want to make sure you have the right policy and the right coverage for the right situation so that when you go to file a claim, you won't hear those dreaded words, "You're denied." Thank you.